Okay, so it's 11:58 and it's a Friday, and yeah, it's the white stuff by that cut bush is a little bit of snow. And I'm going to do a siren test. No, it's not the Darley. It's this little 3D printed thing that I put together. If you're wondering what the motor size is, it's two that I got out of a Sunbeam window fan. At least I think it was Sunbeam. And they've got a 5.5mm shaft. And this siren, I don't know what the shaft size is supposed to be, but from low speed you can hear it, I think. Hopefully you heard it, because I can't with my earmuffs on. Ooh. Obviously they're the little shaded pole motors. I got the switch here too. Let's do it quick. See, that one turns on. Yeah, these motors don't have a lot of power. I think it's probably 11:59 by now. A little bit shaky. Truck there. It's getting the mail. Hopefully that goes off soon. There's a truck getting the mail. Oh! Yeah, that's it. Works pretty good. But with these motors, they originally spun the wrong way, and from the shape of the blades, or I'm just going to call the vanes in there, I think it's supposed to spin this way, and I think it works better this way. Also, if you see holes like that, I was originally going to put a cover on it, but the screws for mounting got in the way, so I can't push the chopper all the way in, so I can't put a little cover on that. But it works pretty good. Also, since these motors spun the wrong way, I had to reverse them. And how I did that is I took the bearings, or the bushings, took them off, and I took the rotor, and then I flipped it around, stuck it back in, and that reversed it. And that's how you can reverse these shaded pole motors. And that's exactly what I did with this one. These aren't the original mounting screws. These were from a different fan with a motor like this. And that fan, its shaft, did not fit in this one. I'd have to drill it out, and I'd risk breaking that if I tried. So that's it for this test. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, about the Fordsville siren. We called them maybe 2 or 3 days ago, and they said that for some reason it wasn't going off, and that it normally would. So in a few weeks we might go back there and see if it will work. Hopefully it does, because that's like the only STH-10 I've seen that's relatively close to where I live. So hopefully we'll be able to get that one soon. With school, it's going to be tricky. Probably on another school break. Hopefully. But anyways, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. It might be more about this siren or a smaller one. I'm not sure. We'll see. That's it. Bye.